Thank you so much.
And I would also like to welcome a very special person from the House of Parks. She is our design head and she is the genius for Pragati Srivastava. You know, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to ask.
The collection is all about the movie. See, the movie promotes the clothes. So as Parks is also a casual.
Thank you, Pragati. I think the moment we've all been waiting for is here. I think all of you are really eager to see what this collection looks like. So I'm going to request Imran. Welcome.
What was that scenario? Please thank you.
The flight missing scenario? यार उन्होंने announcement ही नहीं किया. मैं बैठा रहा, मुझे लगा हाँ flight must be delayed or something. फिर पता चला है लोग ऐसा चले यार flight is supposed to take off in 5 minutes. I should go and ask. मैंने जाके पूछा, उन्होंने कहा कि सर flight तो निकल गई, आप क्यों नहीं आए? कहा भाई आपने announcement नहीं किया. हाँ सर वो तो हमने बंद कर दिया है बोल.
Sir, we are going to miss Kanna also besides your perspective activities are about.
I'm also missing her.
So did you see Hero?
नहीं यार, by the time I got done with all my promotions last night it was 8:30 and like अभी सूट पहन के I can't go for a premiere. I'll have a separate screening over the weekend.
Perfect. So Bollywood में से किसी की सब activity दिखाने वाले हो?
I don't really have the energy to do all of that drama with people. I have a lot of other things to keep myself busy in life.
Any more questions?
Yeah.
Like the song Kisya. So how difficult was for you it was to shoot Kisya, specific song?
Kisya was actually a very difficult song just in terms of the logistics. It's a stop motion video.
Yeah, that is right.
Which means that you have to be absolutely still from between two frames. So to do a simple action like moving your hand from here to here would take 20-30 minutes. If in between you move from this to this, the entire continuity is gone and the shot is unusable. So essentially it's just that you have to hold your body in a very awkward position for a very long period of time. So by the time you stand up, you've got a crick in your neck, your back is out, you feel like you sprained something.
No, because it's a very unique song in Bollywood for now.
It's beautiful, yeah. I was so excited when Nikhil came up with the idea. Because it's a technique that I've admired for a long time, and it's a technique that we've seen a lot internationally, but we've never actually brought it home. We've never put it up on the big screen at this scale. So just as a film geek, I was loving every day of it. Oh, this is so cool. Every prop is moving individually. No computer graphics. Very cool. That being said, I don't think I would do it again. That's दोबारा नहीं करना है.
I really want to take a picture, so can I come out there?
ये कौन सवाल?
Mike
जो सॉन्ग है किसी वाला तो उसमें आप कितने कंफर्टेबल थे कंगना के साथ?
I was quite physically uncomfortable if that's what you mean, but I think that's not what you mean. You're asking about kissing.
Yeah.
I think we tend to take a very juvenile view of kissing in this country. My understanding is that adults kiss. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't go like this. Oh, उसने two-piece bikini पहना है. I never know how to answer these questions honestly. I treat it.
आपने पहली बार कंगना के साथ काम किया.
जी.
तो आपको कैसा लगा कंगना के साथ काम करके? क्योंकि कंगना ऑलरेडी बहुत अच्छी एक्ट्रेस है. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी मूवीज अभी आई हैं उनकी. तो उनके साथ काम करके कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत अच्छा. लेकिन मेरी पूरी करियर में I have tried to surround myself with talented people. I got the chance to work with an actor like Kareena Kapoor very early on in my career. So my belief is when you work with talented people, when you work with good people, the work comes out better. Your work gets better, the film gets better. You have to surround yourself with talent always.
पार्क्स के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
It's a very open-ended question. क्या कहना चाहूँ?
या कनेक्शन के बारे में.
बड़े अच्छे हैं.
My question to you.
2 years.
2 years, yeah, 2 years.
Well, around the time I had signed Katti Batti, we had just discovered that my wife was pregnant. And for me, it was very important. See, my personal life, my family life is always first and foremost for me. And I wanted to make sure that through the duration of her pregnancy, through the first few months after the baby was born, that I would be home and I would be there to support her. And as it happens, I'm very glad that I got the chance to do that. If you have kids, you will know those last couple of months of pregnancy are very, very strenuous. The first couple of months after the baby is born is also very difficult for a couple. So I was very happy that I got to be home, I got to support Avantika through that, and I got to witness my baby growing up in front of my eyes. We started shooting the film about 3 months after Imara was born. उसके बाद बस इतना लगता है ढंग से पिक्चर बनाने के लिए, तो that much time you have to give to make a film.
So what was it in the movie that Aamir Khan made? He was crying for the after watching the movie. What is that scene or any emotional part of that film?
The second half of our film particularly is very, very emotional. It is a love story. It is a story of a couple who have broken up after 7 years. So now in this much time, obviously there is a lot that has happened between the two of them. There are a lot of emotional nuances. मैं कहानी के बारे में ज़्यादा बताना नहीं चाहता इस वक्त. But there is a lot that has happened between the two of them. And as far as I'm concerned, by the time our end credits roll, if everyone is not crying, that means we have failed.
But what was it like, any attachment of Aamir Khan's any particular role or something that made him cry?
My understanding is that the film was good and that we had done our job. That is what but I cannot remind you that.
Thank you.
I tend to go for the slightly sad, emotional songs. So there's a song called Saw Asu Roye Jo Akhiyan.
Could you sing for us?
No, I actually have an agreement with the Playback Singers Association. I don't sing, they don't act.
Even I wanted to have a picture with you.
I'll tell you what, you sing and then you give me a
I'm not at all a good singer.
तो कौन मना लेते हैं उसके लिए?
जिसकी गलती होती है. In adult relationships you don't do, ऐसा होता नहीं है कि वो रूठती है और मैं मनाता हूँ. दोनों एक दूसरे से रूठते हैं, दोनों लड़ते हैं. That is the nature of adult relationships. You realize when you are wrong and you own up to it. You take responsibility.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Well, I think.
This phone on a danda.
Like, can you tell us, what's the plan of action next? Because the film is releasing next week, and what's the plan on? Because without Kangna, how easy or difficult is it going to be for you to promote it?
It's going to be a lot easier. Fewer costume changes.
So is she the one who takes a lot of time?
Obviously, actresses take a lot more time. For guys, it's easy. You comb your hair like this, put on a jacket. Everyone says, "Arey, it's very smart." Girls are just blow drying and makeup and eyeliner. पता नहीं क्या होता है.
So usually we see a lot of actors who go out, with makeup. Are you the ones who prefer to go out with makeup or without?
If you're doing an event, you're going on camera, you're going to be photographed, then yes, of course you need a little under the eyes because otherwise nobody sleeps. Nobody looks like they slept properly. Everyone's got that.
So are you with a concealer or something like that?
Yes, I am. You want to come closer and take a look? Underwear के बारे में नहीं पूछेंगे.
पाहिजे तुला प्रोडक्ट मी सांगतो. प्रोडक्ट बी चल लय झालं. आपका एक सिंगर सोलो सर थोड़ा हाथ रख के सर उसके कंधे पे हाथ रखिए, शोल्डर पे. सर राइट में नहीं सर सेंटर में. इमरान सर सेंटर. इमरान सर वन मोर लेफ्ट. इमरान सर ए विदाउट हाथ सांगे.